Stop whatever you're doing right now and try to take a deep breath. Imagine the air around you, suddenly gone. Nothing. Empty. In just 5 seconds, the entire world as we know it could collapse into chaos and death. What if oxygen vanished from Earth for exactly 5 seconds? The panic, the destruction, the psychological scars that would last forever. This is the terrifying reality we're diving into today. Stay till the end. The final twist will leave you questioning every breath you take. Welcome back to the What If series. I'm your host, and today we're exploring one of the most horrifying scenarios possible. What if oxygen disappeared from the planet for just 5 seconds? We'll break it down scientifically, step by step, and explore the deep psychological impact on humanity. Let's begin. In the first second, everything seems normal, but inside, combustion reactions start failing instantly. Engines in cars, planes, and factories begin to shut down. By the second and third second, people start losing consciousness. Your brain, starved of oxygen, triggers immediate chaos. Heartbeats become irregular. Birds drop from the sky like stones. In the fourth second, cities plunge into panic. Hospitals go dark. Ventilators fail. Surgeons freeze mid-operation. Patients suffocate on the table. When oxygen rushes back in the 5th second, that's when true hell begins. The sudden reoxygenation causes massive fires as half-burned. Gases reignite explosively. Lungs suffer severe damage from the shock. Planes that were falling crash down in flames. The psychological toll. Survivors would develop deep, permanent trauma. Every single breath afterward would trigger intense anxiety and fear. Humanity would live with a collective PTSD, a constant, lingering dread that the air could vanish again at any moment. Picture this: a pilot is flying high above the city, thinking about his family. In those 5 seconds, his plane loses power and begins plummeting. As oxygen returns, he screams the names of his wife and son. But down below, entire neighborhoods are already in ruins. One moment of absence rips apart millions of lives, relationships, and futures. It proves how fragile we really are stripped of oxygen. We're no longer civilized humans. We're just desperate animals fighting for the next breath. This single event could shatter society's trust in the very air we breathe. So there you have it. The nightmare of 5 seconds without oxygen. A brief absence that could end modern civilization and scar the human mind forever. What do you think would happen in your city? Tell me in the comments below. If you want the next video on what if everyone could read each other's minds, just drop a like and let me know. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and never miss another mind-blowing What If. Thanks for watching, and remember to breathe easy while you still can. See you in the next one.